Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix stuck or pending transaction on Coinbase app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if your transaction is stuck and pending for a long time, you can make it a lot faster or cancel it using the buttons on the transaction page in your wallet. So if those options don't work, you can also cancel a pending transaction by sending a new transaction of 0 ETH to yourself. This makes a new transaction more important and gets rid of the old one. So most probably, if you're having the issue for a transaction being stuck in pending, most likely they haven't received, or they haven't confirmed that they receive, or they haven't confirmed the transaction yet. So the best thing that you could do here is starting a new transaction. So you could easily cancel your transaction via the transaction page here. Just click on cancel and just create a new transaction and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.